So if you need an FHA loan, Federal Housing Administration government loan, it's a great loan. A lot of first-time home buyers use that product. They don't have to use that product. You don't have to be a first-time home buyer to get that loan, but it's a great product.
Can you talk a
Because
little bit
you
about
don't
that
have to
one?
have, you don't have, it's
Okay, let them
3.5% down.
Okay.
You don't have to have perfect credit. You can have high debt to income ratios. So you can have debt, I think they go up to like around 55%, something like that, of
Wow.
your income
Debt
to
to
your
income.
debt. So
Right.
that's kind of high, right? So
Very.
where conventional financing is less, they're going to be less on the ratios. FHA loans, you have mortgage insurance for the life of that loan, mostly to speak of. With the conventional financing, you don't. It can drop off after 7-8 years, or when the property reaches 80% of the value of the loans.